I really just quickly wanted to go over a few things that are going to be on A Pocket of Daisies, and let's just get to it. Ring holders. I know these are super popular and I've been posting them a lot on Seeds and Memories, but mind you, that's where all of my following is at the moment. So just we're building up A Pocket of Daisies, and if you're one of the beginners, I see you and I appreciate you, and thank you so much for just even viewing me. Like, I totally, that's more than I honestly thought, but thank you. I really do appreciate it. So like I said, let's get to it. So the ring holders are going to be available on A Pocket of Daisies. I was going to put it with Seeds and Memories, but at the end I just decided they need to be their own thing. A Pocket of Daisies is more, I get like a self-care vibe. Like, you need to focus on you, honey. Don't be worrying about anybody else, because that's just how I am. Okay, so mainly with the ring holders, I have been wanting a ring holder for years, and I didn't want to buy that little hand because I was like, I don't have that many rings, and I came across these little bad boys and they're just great. They fit my ring and everything. Like, that's all I need. So this is the cone, champagne flower cone, and this is the largest one that I am offering. The same with the pyramid. I kind of like this one more just because it's more deep, but these come out super cute. Like, I want to make more. Well, actually I did. Where is it? Look at this. This is a vibe. Like, what is going on here? I love the simplicity of these. So yes, I like to keep two at home at all times. I'll keep one in the kitchen and I'll keep one in the restroom. At night, I'm gonna go take off my makeup, take off my lashes. I have a little lash bed for my lashes, obviously, and my little stud earrings, which is the Mickey head. I would sell it, but I don't know how others would feel. I don't think it should be on there. But I mean, that's a different conversation. It's just not shiny like these. The top is, but not the bottom. So I don't know. If that's something that you want to see, let me know and I'll make a video so you can see it. But for the most part, these are the bad boys. This is the large and this is the small. There are tiny ones, but I don't think anybody would, I don't know, like, look at that. That's so tiny, but it still fits my ring. Like, it still does its job. See? So that's just something to keep in mind. But yes, these are the smallest ones and these are just going to be the larger ones. The goal is to have 20 items on there, so not everything is perfect, but these are my very first items that I'm making. So you are getting like super legit Daisy originals. Just saying. Like, these, I'm like, bruh, I want these for me. I don't even want to sell them, but what's the point of that? So that's what's going on here. Look at this beautiful blue one. This is giving me like shark vibes. So this is what I do have as far as the smaller ones. You can see they're quite a bit. I also have this little triangle, as you can see. This one is the smallest triangle. It's just the cone ones that I'm not 100% sure, but oh no. But yeah, this is little baby cones. Okay, it does its job. So I'll have those. These are the really tiny baby ones that I was showing you. So I do like them. I enjoy making these little baby ones, but I don't know how I feel about actually selling them. If I do, I would probably sell them in a pack of 3 or 4. But for the most part, all of these are gonna be on their own. So if you want one, first come, first serve. I don't know if I'm gonna make more of these designs. Probably just more of these, but the rest I don't know. I mean, I do like this whole vibe even without the flowers, because not all of them have the flowers. But yeah, so there's that. I also have some letters, but I don't have keychains. But that is something else that I could offer. but we're not there yet. We'll just see what actually happens. I'm also going to be selling nail balms. Now these little babies are little nail balms, so if you want to give yourself a bomb mani at home, just put some warm water and put one of these bad boys and see it fizz, and just put your little hands in there and you will have a good time. Okay, another thing that is being sold are nail oils, and the reason I'm selling these are because if you know me, if you've been knowing me or know anything about me, is that your girl was a nail biter. For real. And I stopped last year. I finally just decided, like, I'm done. I'm an adult. I need to, like, get it together. So I stopped biting my nails last year. They're not long now, but I cut them as often as I can. But yeah, I love this stuff, especially since we use a lot of hand sanitizer. So your hands get dried, or if you work at a bank, or if you work somewhere where you always have to be sanitized, fingers crack, hands crack, and that is not cute. Okay, it hurts. I can't do things. So nail oil to the rescue. I love this stuff. I've been using this specific oil for the past year, honestly, since I started everything. So I truly believe in this stuff, and I just want to share what I've used with you. And it's already in a cute little nail compartment, easy peasy. You know, you just put it in your purse and ready to go. You have it with you at all times. So I like these two. It's like a whole little self-care vibe. Then I have some silk scrunchies that are in the making. I don't have anything now, but that's because the person who is sewing them for me, she's such a sweetie belle, but she's been really busy. So we just have to wait on those, and then a few days from now I will post more about the scrunchies itself. So scrunchies will be on there. And yeah, as of right now, this is only the beginning. I'm trying to look to see if I'm missing anything, but as of right now, this is only the beginning. Eventually down the line, of course, I will have more products on each site, but for this soft launch, I just wanted to keep it simple. Everything that I have, I want it to be ready. That way when you order it, it's ready to go, and the only things that worry me are for seeds and memories. But that's just, you know, let's not worry about that on here. This is a pocket of daisies, and I just want you and me to live our best lives. So thank you so much, and thank you for your support. I do really appreciate everything.